Hello my dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel C3 Commerce Coaching Classes. It's my second video. In first video, we start from the partnership. Partnership contains 30 marks. We already discussed about it. And first chapter, that is fundamental of partnership. In first video, fundamental of partnership, we know about the what is the meaning of partnership. What is the meaning of partnership? The what treatment done in the absence of partnership deed and format of P&L appropriation account. In last video we already discussed. in कंटिन्यू करते हैं. न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले कुछ पॉइंट्स और हैं, उनको भी अपने सेकंड वीडियो में मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. सो इन फर्स्ट पॉइंट, appropriation of profit. Appropriation of profit. What is the meaning of appropriation of profit and what treatment we do in the appropriation of profit? So appropriation, any amount payable to partner like salary, commission, interest on capital are debited to profit and loss appropriation account. डेबिट किया जाएगा. लास्ट वीडियो में भी यही किया था, अपने डेबिट साइड में शो किया था. तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, पार्टनर सैलरी, पार्टनर्स कमीशन, दीज आर द appropriation against profit. Appropriation means if company earn profit, then appropriation are made. It means कंपनी को प्रॉफिट होगा तभी एप्रोप्रिएशन देंगे, अदरवाइज नहीं देंगे. तो ध्यान रखना इस चीज का. एप्रोप्रिएशन इंक्लूड इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, पार्टनर सैलरी, पार्टनर कमीशन. कब देंगे? जब कंपनी के पास सफिशिएंट प्रॉफिट होगा. ओके. सेकंड, चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट. चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट, it includes three items, basically major three items, that is first is interest on loan, second is manager commission, third rent paid to partner. It means interest on loan given by the firm. If partner paid loan to the firm, then he received interest on loan at the rate of 6% per annum. Second, rent paid to partner. It means firm paid rent to partners because if partner give his or her property to carry out the business of the firm, so he or she received rent. Third, manager commission. If partner appoint as a manager, then he should be receive commission as a manager commission. These three items is the charge against profit. Okay. Then interest on partner, loan paid, rent paid to partners, manager commission. These items shown in the profit and loss account, not in the profit and loss appropriation, only shown in the profit and loss account. After all, remaining net profit or net loss transferred to the P&L appropriation account, then distributed among the partners. So major difference between the appropriation of profit and charge against profit, that is एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट तभी देंगे जब प्रॉफिट होगा, और चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट कंपनी को, फर्म को, चाहे प्रॉफिट हो रहा है चाहे लॉस हो रहा है. दीज आइटम शोन इन दी प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. ओके. दीज मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन दी एप्रोप्रिएशन ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट. बिफोर वी स्टार्टिंग द न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस और सम इलस्ट्रेशन ऑफ रिलेटेड टू द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट, दीज टॉपिक आर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चंस. And after all, capital accounts of the partner. P&L appropriation है, कुछ क्वेश्चन में P&L appropriation के साथ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट भी पूछ सकता है. तो यहीं पे आपको क्लियर कर देते हैं कि पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, पार्टनर्स के तीनों के अलग अलग कैपिटल अकाउंट बनते हैं, जिसको अपने पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट बोलते हैं. पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट बनाने के टू मेथड फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. फर्स्ट इज फिक्स मेथड, सेकंड इज फ्लक्चुएटिंग मेथड. इन फिक्स मेथड, two different account maintained. Number one, partners capital account. Number two, partners current account. But in fluctuating capital method, only one account prepared, that is partners capital account. In partners capital, in fixed capital method, partners capital, it means when the firm starting or business started by the partners introduce capital, that is the partners capital. And partners current account balance in question given or not, both are हो भी सकता है और बैलेंस नहीं भी हो सकता इन क्वेश्चन. बट इन पार्टनर्स कैपिटल balance is given, always partner's capital balance always shown in the credit side of partner capital account by balance BD, but in current account maybe partner डेबिट बैलेंस गिवन और क्रेडिट बैलेंस गिवन, वो क्लियर क्वेश्चन में आपको बता रखा होगा. तो पार्टनर्स कैपिटल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बैलेंस शोन इन द क्रेडिट साइड बाय बैलेंस बीडी. आफ्टर ऑल if partner introduce additional capital during the year, if partner introduce additional capital during the year, that is shown in the also credit side by cash. If partner introduce additional capital, then we show in the credit side of partner capital account. If partner withdraw during the year, withdraw out of capital, not out of profit, these two are the different point. Withdraw out of profit and second withdraw out of capital. आगे क्लियर करेंगे इसको, बट यहाँ पे if partner withdraw capital, then we show in the debit side to cash a sum withdrawn by the partner out of capital, not out of profit. Okay, these three items shown only in the capital account when fixed capital method adopted by the firm. First by balance BD, second by cash if partner introduce additional capital or further capital during the year, third to cash if partner withdraw a sum of rupees out of capital, then we shown in the debit side to cash, and after all the balance remaining balance shown in the to balance CD. Okay, in partner current account, if balance is given in the question, then we show in the by balance BD or to balance BD, because in partner current account debit or credit both balance are given or not. Okay, after all P&L appropriation debit item कौन कौन सी होंगी? सैलरी, कमीशन, IOC, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, all are transferred in the credit side of partner current account when company adopted fixed capital method. ध्यान रखना इस चीज का, अगर फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड दे रखा है तभी आप कैपिटल और करंट अकाउंट बनाएंगे. ओके, P&L appropriation debit items, all debit item transfer we include profit. Okay, salary, commission, IOC and profit distributed among partners all are transferred in the current account of partners by salary, by commission, by interest on capital, by profit and loss appropriation, profit distributed among partners, all shown in the credit side. Okay, in debit side if firm incurred loss, then transfer loss distributed among partners and transfer to the debit side of partner current account. Second, if partner withdraw a sum of rupees out of profit, not out of capital. If out of capital, then we shown in the capital account to cash. Okay, but if out of profit, a partner or a one partner or two partner or all partner withdrawn out of profit, amount withdrawn out of profit, then shown in the debit side of partner current account to drawing. And if IOD also given, interest on drawing charged by the firm, then also shown in the debit side of partner current account, and after all the balance to balance it is shown. Okay, yes, question number 5 from DK Goyal book, new edition. Question number 5 B. Anuradha and Kajal entered into partnership sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Their capital were rupees 90,000 and 60,000. Profit during the year were rupees 45,000. According to partnership deed, both partners are allowed salary 700 per month and to Anuva and 500 per month to Kajal. Interest is allowed on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. The drawing during the period were rupees 8,500 and 6,500 respectively. Interest is to be charged at the rate of 5% per annum on drawing. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account assuming partners fluctuating method. So in short, A and K 2:1, their capital 90,000, 60,000, profit 45,000, A salary rupees 700 per month and K salary rupees 500 per month, IOC at the rate of 5% per annum, drawings is 8,500 and 6,500 respectively. Interest charged on drawing, that is 5% per annum. prepare profit and loss appropriation account. First of all, we prepare profit and loss appropriation account. We already discussed what item shown in the P&L appropriation account. First of all, net profit shown in the credit side, already given in the 45,000 in question. By profit 45,000, and after all in debit side, salary, commission, IOC. In this question, salary given है, to salary, both partner received salary. So to salary A and B 700 per month है, which means full year की 12 multiply by 700 8400, and for K salary rupees 500 per month. 500 per month means 12 multiply by 500, that is 6,000. 14,400 total salary. Okay. Now next, IOC, interest on capital A and K. A introduced capital 90,000 rupees and K introduced 60,000, and IOC at the rate of 5% per annum. 90,000 multiplied by 5%, that is 4,500, and for K 60,000 multiplied by 5%, that is 3,000. So total is 7,500. Okay. Next, drawing given है, so IOD charged by the firm, that is 5% per annum, and interest on drawing shown in the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation, because that is the income of the firm. By IOD A and K. Now IOD at the rate of 5% per annum, और IRD पूरे क्वेश्चन में कहीं भी अपने को क्लियर इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है कि पार्टनर्स ने कब पैसा विड्रॉ किया. इस सिचुएशन में 6 मंथ का IOD चार्ज करेंगे, दैट इज A and K. Suppose that A drawing 8,500 and K drawing, that is 6,500. So 8,500 multiply by rate 5%, 5 over 100 multiply by 6 over 12. Same for K, 6,500 multiply by 5% multiply by 6 over 12. क्यों करेंगे ऐसा? क्योंकि इस क्वेश्चन में कहीं भी ये इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं गिवन कि पार्टनर्स ने कब पैसा विड्रॉ किया. ओके, सो वी चार्ज एवरेज पीरियड, दैट इज 6 मंथ. सो 212.5 162.5. Okay, that is the distribution of IOD. IOD charge average period 6 months, because there is no information when the partner withdraw. Okay, so now total करेंगे अपने 1,375. इसका टोटल हो जाएगा आपके 21,900. 21,900 5 7 4 3 2 23,475. So to profit transferred to capital account, to A's capital and K's capital. Total profit 23,475. Distributed among partners. Given that is the A and K distributed profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1. So we distributed this profit in the ratio of 2:1.